Hello friends, welcome to my channel Live in Germany once again. So I have restructured the page, so for those who are new and also subscribe to the channel, please have a look at it and give me some feedback how it looks. And today we're going to have one of the important topics like the world rankings of the universities. So I have picked out the German universities from the QS world rankings. So for you to see like where is your university, and for those who are aspiring to come to Germany, you will know like what university I have chosen. Like some people will be like, I should always study in the top 10 or top 15. So for them this video might be interesting. For those else, for statistics, this is very useful. So let's move on. So I will just read the names of the 10 to 25 universities. The rest I'll just play in the video. So please have a look, pause the video whenever you want, and then please give comment like which university you belong to and why do you think this university should have been ranked higher or lower. And yeah, let's go on. The first university is Technical University of Munich, EP, from Bavaria, and it's like rank 55. The next one is Ludwig Maximilian University. This is like München also, 63. So I heard like these two universities always fight with each other. So yeah, so this time University of Munich won. And the next one is Ruprecht Karl Universität Heidelberg, 66. Humboldt Universität zu Berlin, 120. Karlsruhe Institute of Technology, 124. Okay, my friend won it this time. Freie Universität Berlin, 130. RWTH Aachen University, 138. Yeah, that's good for a private university. I think it's a private university. Technische Universität Berlin, TU Berlin, 147. Okay, that's nice. And moving on, the next one is the Eberhard Karl Universität Tübingen, rank 169. Albert Ludwigs Universität Freiburg, 169. Okay, they are the same. Maybe they have the same category, so they got the same ranking, I guess. I checked also. Technical University Dresden, 179. So University of Göttingen, 197. University of Hamburg, 227. Rheinberg Friedrich Wilhelms Universität Bonn, 243. Technische Universität Darmstadt, 260. Okay, the Darmstadt friend I have, he should be happy right now. Yeah, the next one. Okay, there are quite a few. I'll just read the names fast. I'll not tell the rankings anymore. So for those who are interested, just pause if you say see the name of university. It's Johannes Gutenberg University Mainz, University Constance, Ruhr University Bochum, 432. Okay, Bochum, my cousin is studying. He should be happy right now. Julius Maximilius Universität Würzburg, Universität des Saarlands, Christian Albrechts University zu Kiel, Martin Luther Universität Halle-Wittenberg. So these are all like the top 500 rankings they got. So everything under this is like 500 to 600. So there is no unique ranking which I could find so far. But these are like ranges, like 10 rankings. So they are like around 2-3 slides more. Please have a look. I'll just pause it. I'll just skip through the names which I know. Tech Universität Braunschweig is coming. Universität Bremen, Universität Leipzig, University of Bayreuth, Universität Duisburg-Essen. Okay, once again. Okay, it's nice to have Essen dabei. The next one is Leibniz Universität Hannover. Okay, and then University of Hohenheim, Universität Potsdam, TU Dortmund University, Bielefeld University, Universität Düsseldorf. Okay, so they are all like very nice universities, but you should also make sure like these universities are not just only engineering universities, they are also from the other departments. So the last two are Universität Rostock, 755 to 800, and last one is like Universität Siegen. So yeah, my student from Siegen should be happy to see his university here. So thanks for watching this video. For those who want to know other rankings, please have a look at the QS World University Ranking website. Once again, I'll put the link, and subscribe to my channel Live in Germany. The next video I'll talk about very interesting statistics in Germany, say for example the top 20 stats, which is interesting for many people who are coming to Germany and also in Germany. So thanks for your support. Please do say subscribe, and bye bye.